welcome to my channel. This is my first English vlog. I'm using English language. You can see my Indonesian vlog in here, link below. I've got package from China, so let's get unpack this. Get this unpack this package. This is from China. This is Aputure V-Mic D2. I'm sorry if I'm correct. D2, I think. V-Mic D2. I bought this couple of months ago, actually in March or April, and I've used this for a couple of months, and it's got broken. It's got malfunction, and you can see from this video. This is off. This is on. It is on 0. The run still blinking like this. See, so I've bought this online in the online shop in Indonesia, and I've contacted the seller, and he's give me the service center number or the reseller maybe, but I have no answer. Then I decided to contact the service center, Aputure Service Center. So then I get email, and they very quick response. They very cooperative, and I'm satisfied for now. Then I send this to China, and now here we are back to me in Indonesia. Let's get unpacked. Get the letter, and you can see my first channel in Indonesian language, but this is my second channel, and maybe I will use English in this second channel of my vlog. The second channel, I will be discussing about game, PC or laptop, or about tutorial, how to make a video, how to make a motion graphic. And I am working as a freelancer as a motion design graphic, and I'm using Premiere and After Effects. Okay, this is Aputure next level imaging. Wow. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this V-Mic D2. Yeah, this V-Mic D2, I think, how you pronounce it. Okay, it's send back to me. Send it back to me. I think this is the new one. I get the new one. They not. Wow! I get this too. Oh, but now I get two. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes, this is the white one, and this is the black one. Wow! Thank you, Aputure. Thank you, Aputure. Oh, so now let's get back. Let's get unpack this. What is in the box is you have the windshield, the mic itself. Oh, this is the new one. I got the new one. You have You have the battery, two battery, cable. Yeah, there's a sticker on it. On it is a manual book. This is brochure, I think. This is the brochure. This is the brochure too. Now I'm not using the external microphone. I'm using the internal microphone of my camera. This is the EOS 700D, and I'm using it with auto preset, so there is nothing changed in the setting, audio setting or mic setting. I don't change anything, just auto setting. Okay, now we try it with this mic. This is my setting for using the V-Mic D2 in my camera. This is 700D. You can see it, 700D, Canon 700D. I am recording this with my Xiaomi Mi 4i. Okay, first of all, you should make sure this is power off and the pre-call setting is stop. Okay, now we open this. There is open text. You can open it. Just grab this and slide it back. You make sure the battery is on and on the CAD and on the mic. Make sure the battery is on the mic and it's not reversible. Please look the plus and the minus sign inside the mic, so you don't put it wrong. Now we can put this back on. Okay, now we put this cable. I think this is the mic to body, mic to machine, or this is the mic machine here and the mic is here. This is the cable that connected both of them. Now we can sign this in the, wait, I will focus it first. That is signal input, and the other end, this is put it in just like this, and now we take this cable, the 3.5 millimeter, I think. This is the cable that connect from the machine. Yeah, this is output hole, output apalah itu. Make sure you put it right and not like this. Right. Now put this on to the mic. Salah. Put this on to the SLR, the camera, or what do you have, to the laptop or some kind like that. Okay, you can using this with your laptop. Put this other end cable here. There is some mic cable here, and now we got to go. Now we are set up. Now turn on the camera, setting this to camera, and setting this to camera. Now make sure the level is from menu setting. You can see this is the video setting. I'm sorry, video setting. From here, right, to the right, ke kanan kayak lagu. Okay, put the right and sound recording set it to manual. That is manual. Okay, now we're ready to turn on the mic. Just turn on the mic, and first make sure the gain set it to 0. Okay, this is you can see it. Where is it? Where is it? Come on. This, I think this. Yeah, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. Set it to 0. Okay. Come on, focusing. And pre-call set it to stop, and we're going to turn on. Okay. There is no. Okay, there is a signal in. You can see it. Why is not running? You must put this very deep. You must put this very deep. That's why I don't have a signal here. Why is so hard? There you go. Not put it correctly. Sorry. Okay, now we have the signal in full bar. Okay. Now you see the bar here, and we will setting this until the gauge level here will not touching the red one. This is how I do it. You go into the red level and lowering down first and lowering down until the red bar is not touching, the signal is not touching the red bar. See that? Okay, this is, I put it all back to 0. Okay, we are lowering up bit by bit until it's not touching the 0. Okay, I think it's touching a little bit to 0. We can set back again. Just make sure the gain here is set to 0, right? See that? This is 0. Okay, so now you can hear me with the mic Aputure V-Mic D2. How its sound looks like. Do you feel any difference? Okay, of course there's any difference because the external mic is very huge performance, very huge upgrade. When you want to start vlogging, you must consider to buy the external mic. The internal mic of the camera is not recommended, so you should buy the external mic. Okay, this is the end of my first vlog in English. I'm sorry if my English is not so good because I'm still practicing, and we will see you again.